The Waqf bill, which was passed both by Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, now awaits the approval of President Draupadi Murmu. The government is expecting a smaller window for the approval, unlike the Citizenship Amendment Act. The Forest Department in Odisha's Similipal Tiger Reserve has commenced systematic preparation for the All India Tiger Estimation 2026. The All India Tiger Estimation is conducted every 4 years and is considered one of the largest wildlife survey globally in terms of scale and scientific methodology. Odisha Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi is on a 2-day visit to Nuapada district. It is his first visit to the western districts after assuming office as Chief Minister on June 12, 2024. The National Investigation Agency has taken charge of its investigation into the rescue of a Bangladeshi minor girl from the Madhupatna area of Cuttack. The case, which has uncovered a distinguishing human trafficking ring, will soon be presented in the NIA court. The girl, who was rescued on November 31, 2024, was allegedly brought to Odisha under the false pretense of employment. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, along with other leaders, reaffirmed his commitment to strengthening cooperation across various sectors as he attended the 6th BIMSTEC Summit in Bangkok on Friday. The BIMSTEC Summit, hosted by Thailand, is being attended by leaders from India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Myanmar, Sri Lanka and Bhutan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi proposed linking India's UPI with the payment system of the BIMSTEC member nations in an initiative to strengthen trade, industry and tourism in the regional grouping. The Prime Minister also proposed to set up a BIMSTEC Chamber of Commerce and explore promoting trade in local currencies within the region. Mandalay in central Myanmar has been the hardest hit region after a powerful 7.7 magnitude earthquake struck the country, with 2,053 people killed, 2,691 others injured and 210 people still missing. As of Thursday, the death toll across the country from the earthquake has risen to 3,145, with 4,589 others injured and 221 missing. The famous Thakurani Yatra of Ma Budhi Thakurani kicked off in Berhampur city today. The Yatra is held once every 2 years.